Hello Bambu Lab users, hello members and Patreons. I'm here with the Bambu Lab P2S and the AMS HT and the AMS 2 Pro. We are going to connect the AMS HT along with the AMS 2 Pro to the P2S. I'm going to assume you've already got the AMS 2 connected one of two ways. You can learn how to do this on a separate video that just covers installation of the AMS 2 Pro. Here is a typical AMS setup on the P2S. We will connect the AMS HT to the AMS 2 Pro using the 6-pin cable. Choose either of the available 6-pin ports and connect a 6-pin cable. Connect the other end to an available 6-pin connector on the AMS 2 Pro. Your setup should look like this: AMS HT to AMS 2 Pro to P2S. Taking a PTFE tube of sufficient length, connect it to the back of your AMS HT. Disconnect your external spool holder and install the PTFE from your AMS HT. One PTFE from the AMS 2 Pro and one PTFE from the AMS HT. Should you wish to keep your external spool connected along with the AMS 2 and the AMS HT, you may do this using the 4-to-1 adapter. Connect a small piece of PTFE to the 4-to-1 adapter and install it in one of the inputs on your P2S hub buffer. You may then replace the external spool holder and the AMS HT. You may also do this a different way. You may go direct from the external spool holder to the buffer hub and install both AMS and AMS HT to the 4-way splitter. This way might make the most sense. With your AMS HT plugged in, turn on the P2S. This will also turn on the AMS HT. Your AMS 2 Pro does not require an AC adapter. With the machine turned on, you can confirm it sees them both right here, AMS-A and AMS HT-A. You will also notice the assistant has a sad face. When you add an AMS or AMS HT, the machine will want you to run the motor noise cancellation calibration. When you press print calibration, it will automatically select only the calibration it wants. You may also confirm the connections by touching the filament icon, and you will see the AMS 2 Pro and the AMS HT right here. You can run the drying on either one by touching the gear icon, choosing AMS drying, and selecting either the AMS HT or the AMS 2 Pro, setting up your configurations and pressing start. And now you have an AMS 2 Pro, AMS HT, and 5 colors on your Bambu Lab P1S. I'm Mr. Greg, and you're on 3D Rundown.